G'day Alex, how are you?
Oh, g'day Rob, how are you, mate?
I'm good. Hey, thanks for sending Stuart up the other day. You really gave me some good ideas on what tools I need, and he brought me into the warehouse of that, and I had a good look around, and he sold me on the 1367 piece. Obviously it's the best of the best.
Top of the notch, eh?
I want it to go in my 56 box, as I said.
No, 56 not going to work, Rob. The tools that are in there are humongous. You're going to need a bigger box, mate.
In saying that, Stewie did show me this box that I kind of fell in love with, but I know I can't afford the dozer.
I was going to say dozer.
Yeah, but I've got $5,000 up. Can I get it all for $5,000?
$5,000? Hey,
mate!
You're a mate, but $5,000 I can't do, Robert. However,
yeah,
the best way for you to go about it is 24 months interest free. You'll be able to afford
interest free? So no interest?
No interest whatsoever.
Ever?
24 months interest free.
That'll take me weeks to get approved.
No, mate, we can get that done for you. If you've got all the information, 20 minutes tops.
Can we do it now?
Sure.
20 minutes right, Alex. How'd that go?
Rob, congratulations, mate. You've been approved.
Oh, wow.
You've met all the criteria.
So I can get my kit now?
Yeah, well, absolutely.
Now, so Alex, I have done my research. I know the price is right, but you're my mate.
Sometimes, yes.
Right. I've seen the retail price. Surely you can do me a deal, right?
Yeah, I could work out a deal, mate.
What's the deal?
Okay, what I'm thinking is, how does 10% grab you?
Really?
Yeah.
And finance. So 10% and interest-free finance.
All done.
Awesome. How do I do it?
Mate, it's that simple. The coupon code, mate, is JTMate2020.
Okay. So can I share this with my mates or what?
No, you can't.
This is just for me?
Just for you. Do not tell anyone this code. If this code gets out, they get 10% off just about anything on the website.
Okay. I'll make sure I don't tell anyone. I'll see you soon.
See you, mate.